What's up, guys? Good morning, at least from my perspective right now. Today is Monday, June 9th, and today we are making the GTI a little bit louder. I kind of didn't expect to. I got online and I ordered some more stuff from ECS, and as I was perusing, I noticed their muffler delete and their resonator delete. So we went with both. We have some extra goodies as well, and we are getting the windows tinted today at around 2:30. We're going to drop the car off, get the windows tinted. So for now, I'm going to go stop at the car lot over at 74 Motors, got to drop something off, and I'm actually covering our other car lot in Dover, top sale. So I'll show you guys the lot and everything there as well. But for now, let's get going. Well, I got to go back on ECS and order another pipe. It was just a bit too short to do the resonator delete and the muffler delete, but we have our carbon fiber ECS steering wheel. So Tony's taking the airbag out right now, but I want to show you guys something. Also, I destroyed my lip pulling in because I'm an idiot, and there was somebody right on my bumper, so I just kind of came in hot, slowed down as much as I could, and there's the remnants of my front lip, so I will need another one of those. But over here at Top Sales, this is in Dover, PA, we have a few Volkswagens. We have this 5-cylinder Golf. We have this 2017 Golf R. This car is super sweet. It is a 6-speed manual, which puts some MK wheels on it. And it also has what I'm gonna assume is stage 2, because it also has a CTS catted downpipe. I don't know what other mods it has, probably some kind of flash tune. And then over here, we have a TDI wagon. Super clean. White. I love the TDI wagons, they're super awesome. $113,000 miles on that car, not bad at all. Then come over here, we have another TDI. This one is a Jetta sedan. So we actually put the Golf R wheels on this because they were not in the best shape for the Golf R, but they look good on the Mark 6 TDI Jetta. Gray with the silver. Also, if you're feeling absolutely insane, you can get a PT Cruiser silver with darker silver flames. But as you can see, we have a very large selection here of different types of vehicles. Super clean, all-wheel drive IS 250, $6,500. I think this is a 328 or a 325i, $7 grand. Clean car, X-Drive. This Subi's super clean, $6,700. 100,000 miles. Yep, 100,000 miles. Super clean inside and out. Sunroof. I actually contemplated buying this car just as like a highway runner. It's that clean. So just wanted to show you guys some of the stuff on the lot. And if you remember the H1 Hummer over at Red Lion, over at 74 Motors, well, we also have one here. Ray fully basically restored this truck. It's also a diesel. It's locked right now, but it's on 40-inch tires. It's absolutely insane. If you're interested, come check us out. Top Sales 1 in Dover, PA. Golf R's getting new brakes. Probably one of the cheapest Golf R's you could find. 16.5, 110 on it.
And it's got a lot of tuning work done to it. It's stage 2.
Yep, same downpipe that's on my car, so.
Cob intake.
Yep, Mishimoto intercooler piping.
And it's fast as fuck and nice as fuck.
Yeah, new wheels and tires. Check out the
We're doing a muffler delete on this GTI. We gotta somehow, with the muffler delete from ECS, they don't give you the pipe that goes between the exhaust.
The muffler and the resonator.
And the resonator. So we gotta measure this up. That's what we're doing next. Might have to help us. So go higher, is that it? Yeah.
All right, guys, check it out. Muffler delete. Resonator delete by ECS. There's the stamp. And back here as well, ECS Tuning. So we're just playing with the tips right now. One of the bolts to the other clamp broke, so we're gonna get one of those, but we're gonna fire it up and see what it sounds like.
Yeah, you definitely want to make sure you guys clamp these down, but don't over torque them because you'll break the bolt. We did it on one of them. But you definitely, and you want to save this section on the exhaust. It does say it on the website, but we didn't know that when we started installing this.
Use this factory piece.
This is what came off. This is what goes in place. And then that's what comes off the rear.
Look, we're gonna have to do something else. We're gonna do this one.
What?
Hammer this. Hammer this because it's gonna make noise. We're gonna have to hammer up a little.
I see.
Oh, no. We gotta tighten this
We need
one.
this bracket in here. There's a bracket for this.
Yeah, we're gonna put it on.
Okay.
Yep.
Once we put that on, that's a perfect setup.
Oh yeah.
Perfect setup. Setup. Oh, here's the video camera on?
Yeah, it's rolling.
Okay. All right, I'm trying to give you guys a close up here. The tip's not on, we broke a screw, but huh?
That's pretty damn loud.
What, is it idling funny?
No.
Okay. That's the way it should sound.
Holy cow.
Is that too loud for you?
No. It's fucking awesome.
Well, guys,
Oh yeah.
ECS, delete,
Muffler
EC
and resonator.
muffler and resonator have been replaced. We got all these parts and components from ECS. The intake, as you can see, the lip, which we broke already. We already broke the lip. ECS, send us another one, please. Send us another one, ECS. Cat a downpipe. Of course, we did all the ECS. I can't pull it off for you right now, but there we go. All ECS, coil packs. And we did the brakes and pads from ECS. Light bulbs. Turn the lights on, Pat, from ECS. Look how bright they are. Oh, and the wheel install from ECS. Look at this carbon fiber. Crazy. And
Carbon
the plastic
composite.
piece. ECS, we got the cob from you as well. Next is going to be...
Tint the windows here soon.
Yep. Oh, look at this. ECS. That's what we got, guys.
Well, it's been days since the last clip where you guys heard some revs. There's currently big raindrops hitting my head because I'm trying to take cover. But today is Monday, June 16th. Another beautiful day. It's literally rained all weekend. I just got back from Ocean City where it rained all weekend there, and it's supposed to rain all week here. But a little update for you guys. In the last clip, we heard some revs, and I said I was getting my windows tinted. The windows are officially tinted. Not only did I screw up my lip over on this side, came home the next morning, there's a giant chunk of my lip just laying on the ground here. So I don't know if the stress from this side cracked this. No idea, but new lip is on its way. And also, you guys want to talk about a cold start? Check this out. Well, also, let me show you in here. We have our ECS carbon composite steering wheel, which looks super awesome. Oh man, just dumped a bunch of water. Nice. Gotta love it. So we also have our ECS carbon composite steering wheel. It is slightly off center. It actually is pretty much kind of like this when I drive. So I'm gonna have to pop everything back off and re-secure it. I am waiting on a shift knob and shift boot. Should be here in another week or so. Black Forest Industries, they take about 6 weeks because everything's made to order. We have the ECS Tuning banner up top, which I think looks pretty cool. It gives the car like a nice kind of angry look. And then right now I'm actually on my way to Best Buy to drop the car off because I'm getting a new head unit with Apple CarPlay and such, which will be super nice because literally the Bluetooth works probably every 20 times I start the car. Let's cold start this thing. And then we are actually running to the Mannheim auction to take Ray's Hummer H1 truck to see what it'll do there at the sale. So go ahead, ready for this? Check her out. Man, oh man, does she look good. Minus that destroyed front lip. Well, pretty much wrapped up here at work for the day. We dropped Ray's Hummer off at the auction. And, well, my replacement front lip came in. Some sound deadening as well because this car is pretty dang loud, so a lot of things rattle on the inside. But man, does this car look awesome. I'm super excited. And no, we're not done either. There's also something else that I have to update you guys on, which will probably be in the next video, to be honest with you. Just because this video is already kind of trucking along, but let's open her up. Just got back from Best Buy. Ugh. So now I have a new head unit with Apple CarPlay, wired Apple CarPlay, which is fine with me, so I can charge the phone. But yeah, super nice. Nice OEM look. And I'm very excited just to have Apple CarPlay because the factory head unit that was in here would only connect to Bluetooth maybe once every 20 times that I turn the car on. So now I actually have real Apple CarPlay instead of just using Bluetooth. It sounds super good. I was going to do a subwoofer as well. And then also we have our access port properly mounted. And the guy at Best Buy actually ran it through real nice for me and tucked everything. So that was super nice of him because as we were pretty much leaving, I was trying to figure that out. And he was kind enough to actually just say, hey man, I can actually tuck that real nice for you. So shout out to my mans in Best Buy. Next, well, we have a car coming. You guys got to hear this thing. It's genuinely extremely loud. It might not sound too loud on video, but it is very loud. That I can tell you. Check engine lights on because of the downpipe, by the way. Well, yeah, let's see. Gotta be careful going down these small roads like this with dips and potholes and manholes and yeah, just not a lot of fun things there just to destroy my front end again. But I have not put the new front lip on. I actually have something else coming for the car, which is why I am patiently waiting to put the front lip on. Because might as well do everything at once, you know? All right, let me give you guys a little, well, first gear is kind of pointless. It's crazy, man. But yeah, the car is almost 100% done. Full stage 2, yes. Well, it has been days, maybe even a week or so since I've recorded what you guys last saw with straight piping the GTI. So the car is pretty dang loud. I'm not too sure how I feel about it, to be honest. Everyone says it sounds good from the outside. I just don't want to be that annoying Volkswagen guy, so I've really got to hear the car from the outside, which is what we might do here soon. Today's Friday. I'm done with work, checked on some properties, did some running around, and now I'm just going to vacuum, clean up the apartment, do some dishes. And then I think around sunset, I'm going to charge up all of my cameras, and I think I'm going to film like a really cool driving video with some exhaust notes, some intake noise, some turbo noise, some stuff like that. If you guys want to see that, please leave a comment below. I will post a video of that. And honestly, just generally, leave a comment below. What kind of content do you guys want to see with the Mark 7 GTI? As of now, I mentioned earlier, I do still have something coming. It has not showed up yet. It's pretty much the final little piece for the car to just bring it to a really nice level that I think will be very, very enjoyable. The car is super fun now as it is. I estimate it to be maybe around 300 horsepower to the wheels. I don't know for sure. I'm full stage 2, catted downpipe, and running the Cobb stage 2 off-the-shelf tune. So it's not a custom tune, but that might be changing here very soon with some of the other goodies that we got for the car. With that being said, thank you guys so much for all the support you've been giving me. It's been a blast, honestly, coming back and making YouTube videos again. It's been years since I've really enjoyed using cameras and posting to social media in general again. On Instagram, I don't really post too much. I think the only photo I've posted of the car is when I first got it, when it was completely stock. So just keep that in mind if you guys go to follow me on Instagram. I get on there, but I just don't post a whole lot. And I've been posting here on YouTube Wednesdays and Sundays. I missed this past Wednesday, so this video is going up on Sunday. And probably the video that I'll record tonight will go up just on Sunday. If I have enough content, I will post Wednesdays and Sundays around 1 p.m. So yeah, leave a comment again on what kind of content you guys want to see with the car, and leave a like on this video and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video.